everyone, welcome back to another lipstick review. Today I have these Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion lipsticks. Now yes, I did buy one of the shades in my recent haul I showed you, and then I went ahead and bought one more shade because I really loved wearing the one shade I bought earlier, the one I'm wearing at this point, Dream On. So yes, I did buy two of the shades, and let's talk about them in depth and know them better. Yes, these lipsticks are not new to the Nykaa collection. It's pretty old. Yes, I never bought them earlier because I felt they were expensive. I recently bought them in an offer, so I could save a lot. So if you really wanted to buy these lipsticks, this is the right time because I feel most of the shades are flat 25 or flat 40, so you can get one or two shades for yourself. So yes, I did buy two of the shades. Now these lipsticks will cost you $8.99 and you get 4.5 grams of product, and these lipsticks will last you for 2.5 to 3 years. You get 12 different shades in these lipsticks. Nykaa is cruelty free and there are no parabens in this product. This product is smudge proof, transfer proof, and it stays up to 12 hours as mentioned on Nykaa box. And yes, some basic details will be mentioned on the box. I'm not going to talk about the cardboard packaging because I'm not going to keep it with me, so there's no point talking about the cardboard box. This is how the actual lipsticks look like. Body is fully plastic, and then it's super light in the feel. They're not very heavy because it's long, so you may feel that it's heavy. It's light, and then it opens somewhat like this and close like this, and then you have to push the product from behind. It's like just like a sketch pen. If you will hold this, you will feel that it's a sketch pen. And for that matter, even the formula, when you start applying on your lips, you feel you're applying a sketch pen. That's the best way I can describe the formula in texture wise. So these are the two I got. First one is Dream On and the other one I got Hustle. Hustle one is brand new. I haven't tried the product. This is how the cushion puff looks like. Clean. Once you start pressing, the products come out. First go me, it will take some time for it to come out. Now before I jump into the actual review of the product, let's see what Nykaa has to talk about these lipsticks, and simultaneously I will start giving you my thoughts on them. Unique cushion tip format. Yes, as you said, it's soft, it's cushiony. It will just make your lips feel like you are applying something very soft on your lips. Weightless and comfortable lip and cheek tint. Yes, it is weightless and it is comfortable. Weightless as in when you will apply the lipstick, you will not even feel that you're wearing lipstick. For that matter, I'm wearing this lipstick almost 3 hours, but I don't feel that I'm wearing one. And for that one reason that from the time I've got the shade Dream On, I have been wearing that shade constantly every day, just because that's the only lipstick I feel now at this point is the lipstick which doesn't make me feel that I'm wearing one. So yes, it's more of a very comfortable lipstick which really looks good on your lips. It is comfortable, as I said, and yes, these lipsticks can be used as a cheek tint if you have the right shade for your skin tone. You can't be applying every other shade on your cheeks, so be wise enough to pick up your shades. Smudge proof and waterproof. Yes, it is smudge proof and it is waterproof, but if you start eating something, the lipstick starts fading away evenly. The best part about this lipstick is it doesn't fade away unevenly, like from in between, idhar se gayab ho jayegi, yahan se gayab ho jayegi. No, it will go evenly and you will not even feel that your lipstick faded away. And at the end point, when you will just go and wipe off your lipstick, you will not see much of a product left, but you will still see a wash of tint on your lips. So that's how these lipsticks fade away, and I really like that factor about these ones. They stay up to 12 hours, not exactly. Maximum it can stay up to 8 hours, and if you start eating, they can stay up to 4 to 5 hours, because yes, the oil in the food starts taking away the lipstick. That's not the fault of the lipstick, that's the fault of our food. So let's just give that to a lipstick. These lipsticks are enriched with jojoba and grapeseed oil, and these lipsticks can be used as a nice cheek tint and give a nice flushy look. So yes, I really like the whole packaging and the formula of the lipstick. All in all, if I have to sum it up, pigmentation 10 on 10, stays up to 8 hours, it's a good deal. Formula is super light, super comfortable. I think the lipstick is best worn with a lip liner if you have pigmented lips, and the best lip liners you can get from Nykaa itself, because I have bought two shades, Dream On and Hustle, and I have the same exact lip liners from Nykaa. This is a sheer mere coincidence, I would say. When I was just picking up my lip liner to apply today with the Dream On, I figured out that I have the same lip liners. So I guess you will get the same lip liners for these lipsticks in the Nykaa lip liners range. So if you're a person who's very finicky or who wants a lip liner with a pigmented lip, then you can just get the lip liners in Nykaa one. Talking about the 12 shades, I would say not all the shades are well made for Indian skin tone. I must say that out of 12, I think only 5 to 6 shades are made well for Indian wheatish brown skin, and other shades are mostly for lighter skin tone, not even a medium skin tone like a woman like me can wear them. So yes, the shades are a little off, but yes, you will still get 3 to 4 shades for yourself. Price point, they are expensive, $8.99. If I have to compare this, the pricing only with any other brand would be NYX. They have the same cushion puff lipsticks for 650 rupees. But I have not used those, so I cannot say that they are better than that or that is better than this. So since I have tried these, I would say they are really amazing. They are 10 on 10 lipstick on formula, but they could have been little inexpensive, like around 600 or 650, just like NYX, because Nykaa has now their matte luxe lipstick. They're luxe and the packaging is luxe. So in comparison to those, then I would say this is expensive. But अगर आपको ये लिपस्टिक खरीदनी है, this is the right time, because now these lipstick you get straight for 40%, 25%, 35%. उस ऑफर में आप ये लिपस्टिक ले लो। लेकिन मैंने ये वाली लिपस्टिक सिर्फ 535 रुपीज़ की ली है. This lipstick I again bought only for 535 rupees, so I did save a lot of money. So you can buy these in a good discount, but I must say you should try at least one shade, and that is this one, Dream On, because I feel this is a perfect nude for Indian wheatish skin tone, and it really complements my skin. So I'm really in love with this shade. So yeah, these were the two Nykaa Wonder Puff cushion lipsticks. They are fully approved, 10 on 10. I really like the lipsticks and I'm really enjoying them. So that was the in-depth review on the Nykaa Wonder Puff cushion lipsticks. I will be here soon with some more lipstick reviews, some more makeup, some more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. Now you jump onto swatches with and without makeup. We'll see you in my next one. See you soon.